A human sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour, spreading thousands of tiny droplets into the air. This speed and spread are why sneezing is a highly effective way to transmit germs and infections. Your blood vessels, if laid end-to-end, could circle the Earth approximately 2.5 times. This vast network of arteries, veins, and capillaries is critical for transporting oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. Your tongue has around 10,000 taste buds, and they regenerate every 10 to 14 days. These tiny sensory organs detect sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami flavors, ensuring you enjoy a wide range of tastes.